pack my work bag with me for another work week. I will be using my LV Neverfull in size. So, I have my pouch. Nasa loob is yung mouse, my ID, wet tissues, and a clamp. I also have my reading glasses kasi hindi ako nakakakita pag malapitan. I have my shades. This is from Mango. Then, I have my alcohol. My current wallet is a Charles & Keith. This is a sling wallet. It has a gold chain, pero ni-remove ko na yung chain. Then, I have this gum, my AirPods, then my makeup / medicine pouch. And then, this is my current fave perfume. This is from NRM Scents. Ang scent niya is Luscious Lily, which is inspired by J'adore. You can get an NRM Scents through their Facebook page. You can message them or send them a WhatsApp. And then, pag malalaking tote bags na ganito, I usually have like a bag organizer. I also have this base for the bag. This is actually customized. This was for my LV Speedy na 30. So, kinustomize to for LV Speedy na 30. I think I bought it in eBay yata. Matagal na to. Yun nga, this is for the LV Speedy na 30. Pero kasya din siya sa LV Neverfull na size. So, it will keep the bag in shape. So, hindi siya yung bumababa sa ilalim. So, base siya ng bag. First, we put the base of the bag. So, ayan na siya. Pag merong base, mas structured talaga siya. And sa bag organizer, ilagay na natin tong aking pouch. And then, itong aking makeup pouch. Then, yung aking wallet. I will also have my reading glasses. So, pwede natin siyang isuksok dito sa side. My sunglasses. Then, on this side, I can put my perfume here. Then, my gum on the other pocket. My alcohol can go here beside the perfume. And my AirPods can go here in the front pocket. Ayan. Medyo bulky lang siya, no? Pero, sige, yung AirPods dito na lang natin ilagay. So, ang LV Neverfull, ganyan lang siya. May isa lang siyang pocket inside. So, ilagay natin siya dyan. So, when you put it inside the bag, it's more organized. So, ganyan siya. Ang closure ng Neverfull is ito lang clasp. Ganyan lang siya. So, ganyan siya. Very spacious pa talaga siya inside. Pero, you can also make it smaller. So, isi-cinch mo tong sides niya. Ayan, I have cinched one side. So, you can also cinch the other side. So, naka-cinch na yung dalawang sides niya. And, this is what it looks like. It looks like a totally different bag niya. Para na siyang bigger version ng bucket bag. Ayan na siya. Pag naka-cinch yung side, para na siyang malaking bucket bag. Ito palang LV Neverfull ko is pina-personalize ko. So, meron siyang LL na initial sa strap. That's all. Thanks for watching. Siya pala yung laptop dyan, pero naiwan ko lang siya sa office.